Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix error code 020480. We couldn't find the specified configuration file Office installation. Let me show you how you can solve this. First, you can go on config.office.com deployment settings. Once you get here, make sure you select these. Select 64-bit, and then on Office Suites, you can select the Office LTSC Professional Plus 2021. Scroll down, then you can untick this. Scroll down, choose your language. After you do that, scroll down, click on export, and then you choose on Office Open XML. Okay? Accept. Configuration. Change this to lowercase c. Export. And you're done. Once you copy these files, you put it in a folder. Once you put it in a folder, make sure you make a new folder. Like so, make a new folder. Make a new folder. Call it Office 2021. After you do that, you have to go and download the Office deployment tool. Microsoft.com, download Office deployment tool. Press OK and download. After you copy this, put it in your folder. There it is. Then run it. Click yes. Make sure you install it in this folder over here. Once you're done installing it in the folder, take this configuration and then paste it here. Then you take this folder, cut, then paste it in your C, then paste it here. Once you do that, go to your command prompt, type in cmd, run as administrator. And after you write in, I want you to type in this exactly as it is. /Office 2021, press enter, then / Office 2021, setup configure configuration.xml. Once you do that, you're done.